These are the type of markets that make beginners think it's easy because 5 points, 10 points, three, 5, 10 points is very easy to come by right now in these volatile markets. Let's go deeper. So check it out, guys, real quick. Let's look at the call I made in the trading community today. So this morning I said, hey, the bias is short. I gave the key entry point high and low, all right? And so I just said, hey, prices made a huge leg down overnight. For those of us who trade, the IOTS system, we know that the market moves in twos, so we'll probably get another leg that same distance. I said if we're lucky, because this was a humongous leg down. That ain't no regular leg down. That's like 3 legs right there. You kind of can see it. I'll show it to you in a second. But so I said, hey, take price action entries. Price action entries, people. You want to take price action entries off the 21 EMA with trend, because the trend is your friend until it bends. Take price action entries off the 21 EMA with trend if you want to win. All right, so that was the call, right? So let's go see what happened today after the fact. All right, we're on the chart. Let me switch because I got this new mouse. It's pretty slick, but I'm still kind of getting used to it. So let me speed this up. Get back to the call. All right, so here's the call. Here's how it would have been looking, right? Just like the picture. As I was saying, this was really like 3 legs down. So this is a crazy drop, people. Like, I mean, I don't even have enough. I got to grab some extra legs. I mean, I could just say that's a leg. That was clearly a leg. Or we could say, man, this to me is a clear leg down. And then this would have been the second leg, actually. So you kind of had 2 legs down. Oh, we mixed it. So this is actually a trend down, trend break, retest the new low. All right, but right when I was telling everybody to, the bias was short, most of this had already happened. So you would have had to wait for this pullback, which you got. So just going off of the market forecast, if you had your mind thinking short, right about the open, which is, oh, we was already rocking. Oh, that's right, because I won over here somewhere. Yeah, the open is, the open went over here. So yeah, so I had this call out, as you saw before here. Let's jump back. Yep, right about here is what time this said. It was about, what, 7:33, 8:33, it was somewhere in there. We was right here coming off the bend. Look at that drop. I knew it was coming. Knew a good drop was coming. Here it is right here. So we already had the bias short because we're under both key entry levels. That's an automatic short. We don't have to guess about it. We don't have to think which way should we be going, all right? Most people, most systems, you may go long 1 minute, short the next, long minute, short the next, because indicators are created by your competition to make you be a donator to the marketplace. And in most financial markets, that's just what it is. And so if you don't understand that, you don't have a bias, you don't know which way you should be trading, you're gonna get chopped to pieces. So anyway, our bias was short because we were under both key entry levels. So I was gonna look for a short. So, if you have that information ahead of time, it's go time right through here, man. If you just get in when we're coming back off, let's just say you draw this range here because it was a clear range. Man, you see this range here? Oh, man. It's been trying to go up, couldn't. From this top, push down, first entry, push down. This is a second entry loan that barely worked and then just started pumping it hard. Man, you go anywhere on this end. I mean, just go here, it's 84. This thing went down to 59. 84 to 59. There's a lot of potential points there that anybody could have grabbed just because you knew that the bias overall, was short. I also said in that email to take price action entries off the 21 EMA. Why? Because the 21 EMA is the moving average of prices for that day, for that session. So prices are going to stay near the 21 EMA. Here's a pro tip. If prices are a long way away from the 21 EMA, trade towards the 21 EMA because it's going to act as a magnet, okay? If prices are far away from EMA, don't go in the direction where it's been going because it's already too far away from the moving average. Pro tip, That's how you use a 21 EMA properly. When you're far away from it, go to that boy because it's going to act as a magnet. And when you're far away from that boy, don't go in the direction it's been going because it's going to pull back. It's a magnet. It's a moving average. Pro tip. Now, if you take some key entry points, not key entry points, excuse me. If you take EMA entries, you go right there. That's money, right? Then let's say you realize like, hey, we're back above the 21 EMA. Just look at this entry. You done already had 2 legs down. You're back above the 21 EMA. Now you can play it the other way. Now you can say, oh, we bouncing off this bottom. We tried to go short once, twice, 3 times. After 3 times, it's probably not gonna work, right? I mean, tried it once, twice, 3 times, probably ain't gonna work. So once you get this low, push up higher low, and that is a beautiful wifey green, red, green. You go right there, boom, that's nice. So let's see how that one shook out. Let's just see how the possible points there, just potential, you know, we just want to look at what's possible. A lot has to happen, a lot has to go right for any trade, but let's put things in our favor. So yeah, 69, this sucker easy ran up to 87. That's almost 20 points, right? So again, as I was saying in the beginning, these are the type of markets that make beginners think it's easy because that's no distance. To go 20 points, to go from here to here was 20 points. That's no distance. So, you know, right now, yeah, you could catch a $1,000 run, $2,000 run, $3,000 trade. You really think you're doing something. If you didn't have a setup, if you didn't take a signal candle, if you didn't know the bias, you might have just got lucky in these type of volatile markets. So don't get too bold, because just because you hit $2 grand today, you could lose 5 tomorrow in a blink of an eye. These markets are dangerous. Stick to your trading plan. Do not get greedy. Do not get greedy. Do not get greedy. I might need to drop a new track on that in these kind of markets, because if you get greedy, hey, don't get greedy. Get out here, get your 3 points, 5 points, whatever your daily goal is, and pull the plug on the laptop. Live to trade another day. Do not get greedy in these volatile markets. Make your money. If you catch a runner, cha-ching. If not, just keep living that dream and hey, keep just making a living. All right. So till next time, my name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the sudden. Bye-bye.